Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at activating motor labor times in workshop software. On the left-hand side, just scroll down to where it says integrations, click integrations, click automotive integrations, and then click motor. To activate your labor times, you'll just click this green button on the right side. You can activate on a monthly basis if you're on a monthly workshop software subscription, or a yearly basis if you are on a yearly subscription. Right now, if you're on monthly, I would strongly suggest switching to a yearly subscription because you will get a discount on workshop software itself, and you will get a discount on your first year of motor. You will only pay $9.99 per month if you're on a yearly subscription compared to the monthly rate of $29.99 per month. So let's activate our labor times. We'll hit yes on this pop-up. Okay, and now that we've activated motor labor times, we can click here to select our labor rate for these various types of repairs. So I'm going to go here and press L on my keyboard. This is going to bring up the labor product. I can click on this, and this will mean I'm charging $90 per hour for all of these types of repairs. If I charge a different rate for different types of repairs, maybe for brakes, I can go here and I can select a different product for brake repairs. So now I am charging a different rate for brakes than I am charging for every other type of repair. So once you've configured this, you can hit save. Now the labor times are activated and the products are plugged in. You can access your labor times by going to the plus sign at the top and going to a customer booking or a customer invoice. You can also access the labor times once you've completed a customer inspection over here on the left. You can go to new inspection, inspect the customer's vehicle, and then give them an accurate estimate with the motor labor times. Get a hold of our sales team if you need to set up a demo to see this in action, or you can contact our support team if you're a current customer and you need some assistance with setting this up.